Hello everyone. Thank you. This is a simple tutorial on how to apply for your VNeID. So first, you need to verify through the immigration department number through text if your mobile phone is already registered under their system. So you need to message number 1414 as indicated here in the text. And the text prompt would be TTTB, again, TTTB, followed by your passport number. Okay? So when you text that, the 1414 will reply to you. So as you can see from this message, my mobile phone number is not registered. Okay, again, it's not registered because I'm using Vitel SIM card. So my Vitel SIM card is not registered. Okay, so what will you do if your mobile phone number is not registered? So you need to go to the nearest satellite office of your mobile phone provider. So since I'm using Vitel, so I went to the nearest Vitel satellite office, and then I registered there with my passport and my TRC. Okay, because you need that. And of course, the SIM card or the phone that I'm using. So I brought my phone and then registered there and everything. And then after that, I paid 50,000 dong. Okay. And then comes Friday, because this one is a Wednesday afternoon. I verified last Friday to check if my registration is already okay under my mobile phone number. So I texted again 1414 with the text prompt TTTB followed by your passport number. Okay, your passport number. And then after that, 1414 replied this one. Okay, so there. So it says there below that I am already registered with my phone number, with my passport, and everything. Okay. But if you are already registered, okay, if your mobile phone is already registered, so automatic you will receive this one as like the one message below under my name and information provided. Okay, so that's the initial step. So what I did was I was advised by our HR to go to the nearest immigration office. So the nearest immigration office in my place is here. The immigration office in 44 Pham Ngoc Tak. There. I just don't know. Just Google Map your nearest immigration office so that you can check also. But you can go here if you wish to, but I think you need to be under a specific place with a ward here in Hanoi. Okay, so just do check or ask your landlord or your friends there which immigration office you need to register. So I went to this immigration office. So please bear in mind that you need to bring again your passport, okay, your TRC to register, and then the form that is provided under VNeID. So I had the form with me, and I went to the place. So here's a video on what happened. So I went there walking. I took a bus and then went down in Pham Ngoc Tak bus stop, and then I walk up. So this is the street going to the immigration. There, the immigration office is this one, the one with the red flag of Vietnam. And there, this is 44 Pham Ngoc Tak. Here. So I have here already my passport, my TRC, and the form, the VNeID form. It's only a 2-page form, so you need that. And then you have to fill it up and everything with the information needed. And then I went on the left side, which is room 101. Here, as you can see, I went to the left side and then forwarded my form and requirements there to check. So once everything is checked, they will stamp a queue number for you. After that, you need to go to the left side, room 106, where you need to have a picture here on the right side. So if there is no one there, you can go instantly go to the right side and have your picture taken here on the right side there. Because when I went there, there's a lot of people inside also going to register. So what I did was I was advised to sit down on the right side because the photo shoot is on that side. Okay, so once you do your photo shoot on this side, the person in charge doing the photo will ask your queue number. So the queue number comes from the room 101. So once you have finished your photo shoot, so you need to provide the queue number because the photographer will key in the queue number that you have. Okay, after that, you need to sit down on the left side, and then they will call your number. Okay, they will call your number. So once you are called, so they will check, they will encode the information you provided in their system, in the immigration system, and then you will also do fingerprinting. Okay, 4 fingers left, 4 fingers right, and then thumb, and that's it. It's called the piano thing, right? Okay. So after that, it's done. Okay, they will tell you, okay, you're done. So you have to wait for your registration to be confirmed via text. Okay, from the mobile phone number that you provide. So here, now as you can see from the top, VNeID there. So it says there that department already, everything is already recorded. Okay, it's recorded here. So my registration is already successful. Okay, so I hope this helps everyone, okay, in registering here in VNeID. Thank you. If you have some questions or information, please do comment. This is for Hanoi only. I don't know if the other parts of Vietnam is also doing this one. Okay, I think I just don't know if we have the same steps. Okay, but this is the initial step that you can get more for the information that I provided. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe here in my channel as well. Thank you, everyone. See you around. Peace out. Zoomflex. Thank you.